Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hey guys, welcome to Battle of the Stitches for August of 2025. Before we get into what Battle of the Stitches is, I just want to let you guys know that Teresa will not be putting out her video today. Unfortunately, she's had a death in the family and she needed to attend to things around that, and so she's not able to put her video out, but she's still going to be participating this month. She's just going to put it out sometime after today. I wanted to let you know more bad news. I will be getting surgery on my knee mid-August, so I'm going to do my best to try to pre-record everything. My knee surgery has a 6-week recovery, so my content is going to be a little bit more sparse than normal, but I hope that you can hang in there with us and stick with us here, you know, through our hard times that are coming up. But we are still doing Battle of the Stitches this month. I have my tutorial up for the Stitch of the Month, which I'll talk about in a minute. I have it in a separate video because I like to have my playlists organized with the tutorials in them, and I didn't want to have a tutorial that had all this talking in the front because I thought it might be off-putting. So I did it in a separate video. But Battle of the Stitches is a collab that I'm doing with Teresa from Critters Crochet, and we invite up to 2 content creators to join us each month, and we pick a stitch. We're going in order, so it's pretty easy. From this book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter, and we all create our own unique design based on that stitch, and we don't talk about it while we're doing it. So when I'm creating my design, I don't go and tell Teresa what I'm doing. She doesn't tell me. We don't tell the other contestants. We all just kind of do our own thing, and then next week we'll give a sneak peek the second Wednesday of each month. I'm sorry I didn't say this. It's every Wednesday. I'm a little bit out of sorts, so I'm sorry if things are coming out a little bit out of order. We do this every Wednesday. The first Wednesday we introduce the stitch and do a tutorial for the stitch. The second week we show a sneak peek of what we've made with that stitch, and you guys get to guess what it is. And then the third week we do a reveal of what we've made, and then we do a tutorial for the project that we made so that you can make it too if you were interested. And we also put up voting polls on that third Wednesday so that you can vote for the project that you liked best. And if you comment on the voting poll, not just voting, because voting, we only see the numbers, we don't know who voted, but if you comment, we'll know that you're interested in being put in the giveaway for one of the projects. It doesn't have to be for the winning project, it can be for any of the projects. We just do the whole voting thing just for fun. There's nothing major that happens, you know, and truthfully, most of the time, the polls are pretty close. You know, it's not been one that's been way above everybody else. And then the last week we do a live where we talk about the projects, we talk about the process, we announce the creator who got the most votes, and then we do a drawing for the person who will win one of the prizes of their choice. And this month's stitch is this one here, staggered double crochet. It's a nice lacy stitch. I'm really excited to see what everybody's going to make with it this month. We have 2 people who are competing with us this month. We have Lexi again from Helix Crochet, and then we have a new designer joining us named Charity from F.R.O.G. Crochet. And I have them both listed in my description, so if you wanted to go and check them out. Teresa's also listed in my description in case you don't know her. I'm sure that everybody who's on my channel probably already knows her, but if you don't, go check her out too, because she and I are the ones doing the collab together. And I think I got everything. I'm sorry if I forgot anything. You know, just hang in there with us. It's just kind of a rough time for the two of us, but we'll get through it and everything will be great on the other side of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next week for the sneak peek of what we're making. Have a great day. Bye.